Wishing you all a great day ahead. Here our team, Math Pioneers, presents you the most mysterious constructions and sort out the mysteries using mathematics. These are the methods used in the ancient constructions such as the Grand Anicut, that is the Kallanai. Brihadeeshwara Temple, located in the South India, and implemented these methods in the modern constructions. Rocks used in both the dam and the temple were cut using the tangent method, and they were stick together with a mortar, which is still a mystery to the world. By using tangent, a circle was drawn in the rock and cut it, filled it with water, fitted a timber. Later, a crack was created along the circle and they continued for the rock cutting process. Over 2000 years, without the use of modern equipments, a dam was constructed which still stands strong, and there are many questions to the researchers and scholars. Here we sort it out, and the main method used to construct this dam is the functions. During that period, 1 lakh cubic feet of water would flow per second, so it was very difficult to lay a foundation across the river. Using this concept of functions, they made it possible. For the strong foundation, they required a rock to be buried up to 1000 feet. 1 to 1 and inverse functions have been used. By this, they found the weight of the rock to be buried and started to construct a dam. The method used in the Brihadeeshwara Temple is the interlocking method, which is also used in the Japanese civilizations, and the mud clay was also used as a mortar in Indus Valley civilization and also in Kiredi. These are the most marvelous methods used in most of the ancient constructions. So we have implemented all these methods in our modern construction. We know that to build a house at 1000 square feet during this period will cost up to 1 crore, but by our adaptations we can reduce up to 60% of the budget, which also gives the strongest construction that can resist us from natural calamities, even earthquakes. Here is a SWOT analysis of our project, which gives the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. By these implementations, we can finish a project within 1 week using the mathematical method critical path analysis. In addition to this, we have also implemented the modern equipment such as drones and robots to reduce manpower and saves time.